your host, Mike Acuna. Hello, everybody. Teka, masyadong tahimik. Okay. Ganito gawin natin. First of all, thank you for being here. Magandang hapon po sa inyong lahat. And second, I'd like to reintroduce myself. Papakilala ko ulit sarili ko. Pero this time, pwede ba tayong pumalakpak na parang nakita niyo si Piolo Pascual? Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome your host, Mike Acuna. Hello! Thank you. I was Piolo Pascual for 2 seconds. Okay na ako doon. Ladies and gentlemen, magandang hapon po muli. Welcome to the Makina Moto Show 2024. Exciting times are upon us dito sa Benelli booth dahil, like I keep on mentioning, maaaring narinig din yung boses ko kanina pa, we are unveiling 5 bikes today. And in case you missed my name is Mike Acuna. Napakadali kong tandaan ang pangalan ko. Just look at what I'm holding. That's my name. Yes. Ladies and gentlemen, I don't have a lot of time, pero excited na kami na ipakita sa inyo lahat ng bikes. Before I do that, we'd like to welcome everybody here, gents, ladies, non-binaries. Kasama din natin ang ating Cruise Sim Club. Palakpakan tayo for the Cruise Sim Club. They're right here. And also, where's Benelli Mindoro? Benelli Mindoro, palakpakan tayo lahat for Benelli Mindoro for being here. Maraming salamat po, ladies and gentlemen. Before I continue, I think it's only proper that I call, tawagin po natin ang catalyst ng event na to. Please welcome Mr. Zach Lucero. Right here. Palakpakan tayo. Sir Zach, magandang hapon. Here to say a few words for us, Mr. Zach Lucero, ladies and gentlemen.
Piolo, maraming salamat. That is a fantastic intro. Thank you so much. Sa lahat ng mga bisita natin, friends in the media, welcome to the Makina Motor Show Day 2. Of course, we are very excited. 5 bikes. We're looking at 5 bikes. And again, to our principals over here, maraming salamat. And of course, welcome. On that note, I will get out of your way. Parang lumig ka na konti, Piolo. And I'll turn the mic back to you. Thank you so much, everybody.
Thank you so much. Isang malapit na palakpakan naman for Sir Zach. Come on, guys. Yes. All right. Ladies and gentlemen, this is the exclusive first look. Hindi lang isa, kundi 5 bikes. Magsisimula po tayo dito sa unang unit natin, ladies and gentlemen. Ito po ang aking personal favorite. Pero hindi tayo magsisimula dahil personal favorite ko siya. Pero mga kaibigan, pag nakita nyo ito, matutunaw ang mukha nyo sa ganda. Okay. We have first the Benda Napoleon Bob na eto mga kaibigan, kung mga bagong riders kayo, this is a perfect entry-level big bike for you and also for the seasoned riders here. You are going to love this bike. 695mm lang ang seat height nito, abot na abot natin, pero 500cc siya registered. Pero if you look at the specs itself, nasa 508 talaga siya. Yun. We have a 450cc version to be unveiled today, and we have this has a 6-speed V-twin cylinder, liquid cooled, dual overhead camshaft na siya mga kaibigan, and also 196 kilograms ang dry weight. So I hope you're excited to see what it actually looks like. Bibilangan natin to. Sana bumilang din kayo, okay? Let's count all the way from 3, okay? 3, 2, 1. All right. Here it is, ladies and gentlemen. Look at that bike. Just beautiful, isn't it? Worth the wait. Ay, may narinig ako, worth the wait. Oh, diba, mga kaibigan? That is the first bike that we have. This is, again, the Napoleon Bob. Yan yung first unit natin. Alright, on we go, ladies and gentlemen. Alam namin, excited na kayong makita ang ating pangalawang bike. This is called the Benda Chinchilla 450. Some of them call it Chinchilla. Okay lang din yun. Either way, kahit ano man ang tawag nyo sa kanya, maganda pa rin siya. 450cc with 6-speed V-twin cylinder. Ito naman, nasa 212 kilograms and also single overhead camshaft na siya, which is powerful, very powerful. Liquid cooled na rin siya. Alright, let's go ahead and unveil this next bike. Sana bilangan natin ulit, okay? 3, 2, 1. Yes! Look at that bike. dalawa pa lang ang na-unveil natin. So far, just so lahat po tayo on the same page, let's do a quick recap. Pagkumparahin natin yung dalawang bikes. Ang Napoleon is, nakikita niyo po, pang solo riders. Solo rider siya. So kung medyo nasa, ano kayo, pag walang love life, pwede. Pero kung ayaw niyo lang yung isama-isama, no, okay lang din. Kung medyo maluwag siya sa inyo, okay lang yan. We also have a very relaxed riding position. Is everyone allowed to mount this later? Just so they can see, okay lang ba? Are we allowed? Okay, yes. Mamaya po, you can mount this this bad boy right here. And also, eto mga kaibigan, since wala siyang angkasan, pwede pang hiraman. Diba? Pwede pang hiraman, and it's great for long rides and city driving. Alam niyo mga kaibigan, hindi siya ganun kabigat. I was able to mount this myself, and I can happily report to you na masaya siyang dalhin sa syudad or i-drive sa syudad, also for long rides. 22 kilometers to a liter siya for maximum efficient, tama ba? Maximum efficiency riding. Ibig sabihin po, high gear, low speed. Yan, mga kaibigan. Kung hindi kayo hahataw, nasa 30 yan. Okay? Pero kung gusto nyo humata ng konti, naglalaro siya sa 21 to 22 kilometers per liter. Now, the chinchilla or the chinchilla naman, ladies and gentlemen, ito pwedeng solo, pwedeng pang tandem. Dito sa Pilipinas, iba na yung ibig sabihin ng tandem riding, di ba? Pero pwede po tayong mag-angkas dito sa ating chinchilla. Kita nyo naman ang ganda ng kurba mula sa makina hanggang doon sa pinakalikod na upuan, ladies and gentlemen. It's also relaxed riding, pero this has more torque, I believe, because ang Napoleon bug po natin nasa 42 Newton meters. Okay? Tama ba? Tama ba units ko? Newton meters. And with the chinchilla naman, nasa 45 Newton meters siya. Maganda rin siya for long rides and city driving, and also, ang konsumo po niya ay nasa 22 kilometers to a liter. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, is everyone still with us? Okay ba tayo? Okay, ready? We are now going to be unveiling our next bike, ladies and gentlemen. This is the Tuscany 150, a 4-stroke single-cylinder 150cc bike. Mga kaibigan, this is air-cooled. May front brake siya, disc front brake, and ang rear brake niya is disc and ABS naman. Ang dry weight niya is 123 kilograms. Perfect for anyone who wants to do city driving or riding. Okay. Let's unveil the Tuscany 150 in 3, 2, 1. Yes! Look at that. Black glossy finish with a white trim para sa upuan. Everything is just perfect with the Tuscany 150. Alright. Ayan, ladies and gentlemen. Kita nyo naman kung gaano kaganda yung ating bike. Ayan. For those of you who are unable to see it from there, mamaya po, pwede po kayong umikot dito so you can have a better look. You can get up close and personal with the Tuscany 150. And now, ladies and gentlemen, we are going to be unveiling our fourth bike, which is the Husky ATV. Nasa 150cc siya, ladies and gentlemen. Single cylinder, single overhead camshaft, liquid cooled, disc and ABS front and rear brake, and ang dry weight niya ay nasa 150 kilograms. Let's unveil this next bad boy in 3, 2, 1, go! Wow! Right, oh my God! That is impressive. Look at the angles in the corners and also the color of the Husky ATV. Very beautiful bike. Ayan, napakaganda mga kaibigan. Alright. And now, last but definitely not the least is the highlight of this unveiling. Mga kaibigan, we are very excited to be sharing with you our next bike. Actually, ladies and gentlemen, clarify ko lang. Yung first two bikes natin, yung dalawang unang bikes are from Benda. Yung sumunod po, yung Tuscany at saka Husky from SYM. Ito rin pong last bike na i-unveil natin mga kaibigan, also from SYM. Okay, so this is the Maxim 5 508cc, ladies and gentlemen. Inline twin cylinder, DOHC scooter na siya, mga kaibigan. Liquid cooled, disc in ABS front and rear brake, and ang dry weight naman niya is 141 kilograms. Is everybody ready? Okay, thank you. All right, let's unveil our scooter in 3, 2, 1. Ladies and gentlemen, there we go. Napakaganda, ladies and gentlemen. The next Maxi Scoot that you would like in your garage. Napakagandang addition yan sa inyong garahe, ladies and gentlemen, among the other 4 bikes. Ayan, mga kaibigan. Alright. Yes, so, mga kaibigan, should you want to pre-order any of the said units that we have, mga kaibigan, sasabihin ko po sa inyo kung saan located lahat ng ating mga stores. Kung kayo po ay nasa Ortigas, Pasig area, please look for CDE Motors Incorporated. That's Charlie Delta Echo, CDE Motors Incorporated by Vince Ong. We also have Motorcycle City by Key Motors Incorporated, headed by Robert Ian Nang po. Sa Davao naman, we have Motor Hub Corporation by Frederick Rubinos. Sa Pangasinan area, Karma Motors Corporation by Armando Tanlao. Archway Motorcycle Incorporated naman kung kayo ay taga-South. Sa places like Santa Rosa, Cavite, Makati, and Laguna, hanapin nyo lang po si Sir Wesley Cabrera Siren Jr. or Siren Jr. Sa Motohub naman kung kayo po ay taga-Pampanga, this is by Carlito Ferrer Cabrera. Kung kayo naman po ay nasa Cebu, Zamboanga o CDO New Age Motors by Vince Lim. Kung kayo po ay taga-Tacloban, Good or Us by Luigi Joe Yu. Sa Antipolo at Bulacan naman, sa mga kaibigan natin from Antipolo at Bulacan, LGM Motorcycle Sales and Service by Vicente Rivera Largo. Sa Pasig at Bacolod, Nirinsha Corporation. Once again, that's Nirinsha Corporation, headed by Jofilo Luzuriaga Ponce Jr. Sa Calamba, Laguna, babalik tayo sa Calamba, Laguna, Antara Venture Incorporated by Irene Montemayor. Sa Lucena at Lipa, Bikes Are Us by Brian Christian Ong. Sa Hurricane Motorcycle Center naman, Pagkaloocan by Angeline Zeg. At sa Mindoro area naman, Master Rider by Hiner Manantan. So mga kaibigan, we're going to be opening the booth for everyone to be able to check out the bikes. All of them are great bikes. Lahat po ay magandang addition sa inyong garahe. Maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat. My name is Mike Acuña. Thank you so much for paying attention to this stranger. We invite everyone here in the booth to check out all of our bikes up close and personal. Thank you so much, everybody. Yes, for the prices po, para sa prices ng ating mga